know who I do it for.
Ain't lost, just wondering.
Bitch, I do it for my I suicide by my city. That means when I blow up, I'm taking all of you with me. My first name ain't Byron, but I'm the only one left, which means I'ma do it till I die. And my death wish is to kill the mic in my ears, make me scarier. This is man vs. Wild, do not kill me, cause I will release the bear on you. Shoot for me, you better get used to me. I got an icebox where my heart used to be, and you can fill it with cores and they'll get cold as the Rockies. So when I sip it, it's consistent to replace my old heartbeat. Flipping shit and I still smoke, motherfucker, so what? It's like I came up on a wheelchair, I'm just trying to roll up. I don't know about makeup, but bro, you better cover girl, cause if I get the chance, I'm gonna take her to another world. I might endanger her, but there is no sustaining her, so when she gets in the back of my Jeep, I'm gonna wrangle her. We hustle in this bitch midnight to morning, from dusk till dawn,